Welcome to Buena Ventura Life, where I share my world of my boats and exploring my world. Hope you enjoy it, and please share. Here we are again. It's that time to refuel and go home. And there goes Highway Patrol over there. Okay, now it's ready. I'm gonna need an extra bit of fuel today. I didn't fuel up for 2 weeks. Okay, well, what did we learn? We learned this week that getting over a cold takes some time. Had a nasty cold, hit me Monday, or Sunday night, Monday, and there goes another Highway Patrol. Huh. Okay, there's the white one. Yeah, I went down, I was sick, I couldn't talk Monday and Tuesday. That's why that last video didn't have much in it other than music and video. So this week it was struggle through, couldn't drive yesterday, so I drove down today, down to the Oversons, bringing the heaters down to Buena Ventura. The weather was okay. Don't like to take anything when it's wet out, so it's just overcast, 70, 72, 74, pretty nice for travel. Truck is acting up. I don't know why. It's not happy about something, but I'm gonna, spend some time trying to figure that part out. The repair I did, which was the mass airflow sensor, which, is a critical thing, picked up and fixed a lot of little issues, but not the big ones where it's stumbling. So, Buena Ventura, buttoned up now. No need to run the AC constantly to keep her dry. I'm going to have to put in a dehumidifier. I'm thinking 1 or 2 of those, one in the fore stateroom, one in the aft stateroom. But other than that, we did pretty good. Gail enjoyed meeting her friends. Troop was there, Riley was there. And then there were a bunch of little dogs that yap and yap at her, but overall she had a good time. She felt better after seeing them. I'm not over this thing. I'm already prepared to, I was prepared to spend the night on BB, but I just did not feel good. As cold as, 7 days active, but longer if you consider I probably was fighting it Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then it nailed me. Let's see. I'm seeing more and more people interested in the big projects like this. I don't know what to say other than it takes time, it takes money, and you got to know what you're doing. And if you don't, hire somebody. Let's see, we're up to 30 gallons, so I've still got a ways to go on fueling her up. That's about it for this one. We're on our way home. There's no backup at the Nice Bridge, so we're pretty good there. I'm looking forward to just an easy drive home. Hopefully nothing else will go wrong. Well, as you can see, it's high tide. The swim platform is almost equal to the dock. Right now I need to open up the boat, get ready to offload the heaters from the cart into the boat. Right here I'm opening up the door. It's covered with a blanket because the air conditioner output is right there. And there's no way to close the door around it, so we just drape a blanket down. It's protected, it keeps the wind and rain out if there's any rain. There hasn't been since we're in a drought right now. Open up the transom so we can load in the heaters from this side. Can be a stretch getting off the boat at high tide. Yeah. Down the dock, one of the people who has a nice sailboat is coming on. They've been out for a few days, a week maybe, just coming in back into port. Here comes Gail, she wants something. No, she wants to tell me she wants to go to the land. As you can see, the heaters, they're radiator, oil-filled radiator heaters. I like those. Fans I have on board can blow the air around. The radiator type are just so much better than any of the others. They're a bit safer. I like the warmth, gentle warmth, and they don't make too much noise. No noise at all. Okay, climbing down to the swim platform. As I go down, I'm trying to keep free of the spring lines. Gail wants to check it out, but she isn't going to help me. Well, I've already decided that there's no way I can get them up or get them onto the platform and up onto the boat. So we're going to wait until low tide. Okay, one of the projects that has to be done is to create the side and aft curtains for the sun deck. So right now I'm remeasuring. Actually, I knew I needed different measurements than I had taken before. So I'm going snap to snap, lengths, heights. It's not an actual rectangle, it's a trapezoid. So it's smaller up where I'm measuring right now. Scribble there. And the length, top and bottom are different. Now this is, I'm going to measure straight down at one point, or I've already measured straight down at one point, which is the end of the awning track, which is where a zipper goes in to connect to the aft curtain. So I'm measuring around the corner just to get an idea of what those things look like. I don't know what that was. That was way off, whatever it was. Time to move the heaters in. So 2 of them are already on. I already moved the boxed ones in. Here come these. These came with the boat, so they don't have a box to keep them safe in the summer. One goes in the galley, one goes in the saloon. And when they're set, the wind is off, no wind, and say it's 40 degrees, the onboard AC units work quite well, but these provide quiet comfort. Then one can go down in the engine room, keep that nice and warm when I'm not running the engines. Those are the great carry boxes. Till I find something better, those are it. And that's about it. Should we fade to black and bring up the credits. So thank you for watching. I appreciate your ideas and views. Thank you for watching Buena Ventura Life. I hope you enjoyed it. Please click like and then subscribe. Thank you.